Okay, everybody, Vincent St. Louis here. This is actually I'm rewriting an article here, so I want to kind of let you guys watch how I go through this. This may be boring to many of you, but I think it may be interesting. So I just decided that I'm going to click back in here and let you guys watch how I redo this article because I think it's kind of interesting how you can reword stuff and get the same point and make it your own content. So I'm rewriting an article here about an article directory, it's actually an article marketing tips, okay? I got this article a long time ago. I have no idea where I got it from. I just found it in my file, and I'm actually getting this article ready to teach you guys something else about blogging in your Power Network blog. And I started rewriting this article because I need the content so I can upload it. And I was like, wow, this is just good stuff. So I'm going to have a lot of dead air time, and I'm really sorry about that because basically I cannot do two things at once. So when I'm thinking. I try to talk you through what I'm going to do, but you're just going to have to bear with me through these boring times. If it's too boring, then you'll get the point and you'll just leave anyway. So, anyways, here we go. So this article is actually I've got part of it done. I just reworded this sentence right here. Let me go back and show you what I've done. Um, okay. Let me see if I can't even blow this up a little bit bigger so you guys can really see what I'm doing here. I'm just going to grab a couple of this is actually several articles in one that we're going to, so maybe you can see that a little bit better. Okay, now where was I? I was right in here. It's very important to stand out from other articles with your title. Okay, now I wrote that one already. In order to stand out among the thousands of articles in the article database directory or the article base RSS used by hundreds of websites, it is important to have a clear and concise title. Okay, one that will impact the viewer. Okay, now look, we can rewrite this article. Watch how I rewrite this sentence right here. Okay, having a an the best way to, let me see, to having a clear and convincing article title is the best way to stand out among the thousands of articles in the article directory or RSS. Okay, period. Okay. Use my 100. Don't need that in there. Just delete it. Some of the stuff is not as important. It is important to have a clear and concise one that will impact your viewers. So the way I like that, okay, a title usually I just write and then I fix my errors. Title that will impact the viewer to keep reading is, okay, let me see. You need a title that will impact the viewer, that will get the, underneath the viewer to keep reading. Boom. Done. Okay, look, we just wrote that. Rewrote that article. Okay. It is recommended to include relevant keywords in the article title, but at the same time refrain from using the meaningless title containing only keywords. Okay. Proper keyword usage in your title is vital. but proper relevant. I like that word relevant. Relevant keyword usage in your title is vital, but at the same time refrain from using, but let's just say get rid of, but refrain from using a meaningless title containing only keywords. Perfect. See there? See what we did? We added some words. We took some away. What's wrong with this? Let's see if that works. Okay, there we go. For example, an article about loans with a title, Loans, has no meaning for the reader and will probably drive the potential reader away to the next article on the subject. Okay, for example, an article about real estate with a title like, we'll just do the same thing. Oops, I want to make that has no meaning for the reader and will probably drive, has no meaning and will probably drive the potential reader away to the next article with a relevant title. And compelling title. Boom. See how I'm doing this, you guys? It's just this simple, you guys. I mean, I'm serious. You're not stealing an article. You're just giving it. So I'm not gonna keep going with this. I'm gonna do this. Get rid of tip number 1. I was gonna redo the whole article. Now, if I'm doing an article for keyword research and for ranking, I'm gonna have an article that has more than 500 words. Okay, and I'm gonna put the keyword article marketing tips. Okay, so article marketing, let's say that's my keyword. I'm going to make sure article marketing right there, I'm going to make sure it's in here. Article title, let's see, the article marketing. Wait a minute, let's reword this a different way. Let's see. A good, whoops, this is going to be key. Good title is best for article. Okay, I just reworded that, and now that can be a title, like a subject on an H2 tag. Okay, so here we are. Let's go. Where are we? Down here. For example, I redid that one. Instead, try a catchy title as such as The Little Secret About Loans That Can Change Your Life. Okay, let's go to a The Secret About Buying or Selling, depending on what your article is about. Buying, real estate that can change your life, or that can save you big money. Boom, there we go. In order to edit the article title, log into blah blah blah. We don't need that. Delete. me see how many words this is. I'm going to take and cut this, copy. Let me see, it should tell me right here though. 236 words, so I'm gonna want to add to this and make it, because I'm doing keywords, so I'm gonna add to this article. But you guys don't need to have to sit through that tedious, like watching paint dry, but it is some good info. You guys got to see me how I actually will take an article that I found somewhere else. I thought it was a great article that I can market with. I can drive traffic to my blog. It's relevant to part of what I'm doing, and I will actually rewrite this and have it to do with internet marketing. So I will put some keywords in there of article marketing for internet marketing or something like that, and I can rewrite this article that I found and have it really do some powerful stuff on my website. So my name is Vincent St. Louis, and this is part 2 to finding relevant content that you can rewrite the article to. So God bless you, and we'll see you on the next video.